In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change your name and profile picture on Google Chrome desktop. To get started, open Google Chrome on your desktop computer. From there, go to your Google account. Once your account page opens, look for the option that says Manage your Google account and click it. On the left-hand side of the page, click Personal Info. This section contains the basic information tied to your account, including your name and profile picture. If your goal is to update your profile photo first, look under the Basic Info section and click on Profile Picture. You will now have the option to upload a new image from your computer or choose one from Google Photos if you already have pictures saved there. Pick the option that works best for you. Then select the image you want to use. It is a good idea to choose a clear photo that looks good even at a small size, since profile pictures often appear in compact spaces across Google services. After selecting your photo, Google will usually give you tools to adjust it before saving. You may be able to crop the image or rotate it so it fits well within the frame. When everything looks right, click Save as Profile Picture to apply the change. If you also want to update your name, return to the Personal Info page. In that same section, click on Name. You will then be able to edit the details shown for your Google account. Type in your new name carefully and double-check the spelling before continuing. That covers everything you need to know.